this is the perfect time you can actually upload your YouTube videos in 2026 and get maximum visibility. So if you're out there and you're posting your content randomly, you're doing a guesswork, you may never know, but you are literally the one hurting and killing your video visibility. So this is to make you to understand that posting time matters a lot, and it's not even the way most of us think it or see it. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is to break it down for you. I'll be showing you the exact right time you need to upload your videos for you to get the maximum visibility. When it comes to posting time on YouTube, there are a lot of things that comes together. So all these things are what I'm going to be breaking down, and I'll be giving you real strategies that actually work. So as usual, try your best to make sure to pay maximum attention to what I'm about to share with us right now. All that much being said, let's dive straight into the video. So now, first of all, there is something most beginner YouTubers fail to understand or find it very difficult to calculate. YouTube does not push our video or recommend our video based on the time you post it. No, YouTube actually push your video, recommend your video based on how viewers are reacting with your content. So now, for example, let's assume that you upload your video by 2 p.m. in the afternoon and nobody is clicking on it to watch at all. Then YouTube is definitely not going to push out or recommend that video. They automatically sees it as a video not worth pushing because people are viewing it but they refuse to click. Okay, so now let's assume that you now change your posting time and decide to post around 9 p.m. in the night or 8 p.m. in the evening, and people are clicking on it even though it's little by little. That way YouTube is going to start pushing out the content. So now the best times to actually upload your content, that is for you to at least get visibility. Now this is not generic, yes, because some of us are actually faceless creators. Some of us post content that is when Nigerian audience are asleep. So you have to first of all understand your audience and your content type before you go ahead to determine the right time you're going to upload on your channel. Okay, so now the general time for maybe somebody doing YouTube growth, educational content, vlogging and the rest, the best appropriate time for you to upload your videos is mostly in the evening times. So this particular posting time is out of experience and testing, and it has worked for a lot of, that is millions of YouTube channels out there. You see this evening posting time starting from 6 p.m. down to 10 p.m. or let us say starting from 5 p.m. down to 9 p.m. because these are the times that people are back from all their daily activities and they are resting at home. So there is every chance, there is every tendency that if you upload a video during these hours, during this time, then you can as well get visibility on your content. Okay, then another time is during the afternoon time. You know, in some parts of the world, that is some countries, afternoon time is more like times whereby students take break, and even some people that are doing 9 to 5 job, they kind of take break as well in the afternoon. And when they are on break, definitely they are going to be on their phone. So that is also another opportunity for you to upload your content and still get visibility. Okay, so now generally, if you're going to be looking out for the best time for you to actually upload on your channel, this is a guide that I'm going to give you. Now, you know, a particular time might work out for this channel, but there is every tendency that is not going to work out for your channel. So most of the times when choosing time for you to upload on your channel, you need to understand the niche. Is it faceless niche? Is it face niche? You know, if you belong to this bedtime prayer niche, in the faceless niche, there is no how you are going to wake up in the morning and start posting your content, or posting in the afternoon, or posting in the evening, just like as I had advised. If your aim, that is, if you're looking out to get audience from USA, UK, Canada and the rest, then you need to upload your content when that is, if you're going to be using Nigerian time, you need to post your content when we that are in Nigeria is sleeping. That is why most of the times I advise my one-on-one students to post their videos anything starting from 12 o'clock a.m. in the midnight. down to 4 a.m. because when you post at that time, I think it's going to be evening for those people outside. That is even one of the ways to get US audience. Okay, but let's say you are posting normal face content. It could be story, it could be AI movies, your vlog. Then just go ahead and target posting in the evenings or posting in the afternoons. Okay, now there is a time chart, that is upload time chart on our YouTube studio. That actually still works sometimes, but if you go below that posting times, you will see where YouTube still writes it that it doesn't really determine the performance of your video. It's just more like a guide of when your viewers are usually active. And while studying my own, I discovered that evenings, that is anything from 6 p.m. down to 8, 9, 10 p.m. are usually my prime time. And if you've been watching me for a long time now, anytime I post between these times, there is every tendency that my video is going to really blow up. But I have as well tried posting by morning time and it performed woefully. Same thing with afternoon. So in the end of everything, what I'm going to advise you is, or let's say you are still a very new beginner YouTuber who maybe this bar chart, this time chart is not yet reflecting on your channel, what I'm going to advise you is to strategize. Now this is what you're going to do. Since Princess advised we can post in the afternoon, we can post in the evening, and sometimes you can post in the morning. It depends on the audience you're looking for. This is what you need to do. Pick out 2 weeks and try uploading in the afternoon. Pick out a particular time, 3 p.m. down to 4 p.m. I'm going to upload for the next 2 weeks. Now you're going to study the performance, the impression, how fast are viewers clicking on the video. Okay, now after doing that for 2 weeks, if you get right results, you're seeing the visibility, then just continue with it. But if after trying it you didn't notice anything, then go ahead and try the evening posting time. So after trying the evening posting time, at least there should be a difference. So by doing it this way, you'll be able now to understand when exactly your viewers are active or when your content tend to perform much more better. See, for me to be honest with you, there is no perfect standby time that if you post a video is going to go extra viral, and even YouTube itself has not even really made it known. So what we basically do on this YouTube space here is to strategize, is to keep testing. You try this, then you go with the one that is working. When I newly started on posting content here on YouTube, you all that is, if you started watching me from the year 2024, there were times I posted 12 o'clock midnight and I'm in Nigeria. Ask me what exactly was I looking for. These were my testing phase. I was trying to see, oh, what time works best for me. And unknowing to me, all those things also slowed down my growth. And sometimes I tried morning. Morning was worst. I've never posted any video in the morning that I got visibility. Like, it's always worst in the terms of performance. Later on, I also tried posting in the afternoon time. It still didn't perform well. But the minute I decided to switch down to posting in the evenings, back to back, anything from 7, 8, 9, then I started getting visibility. So this is something you too can test run on your channel. Believe me, if you're able to test 3 different posting time, you're definitely going to come up with one that is actually bringing visibility on your channel. Okay, so now sometimes I get comments on my video. They'll be like, Princess, you recommended this particular time. I have as well been posting this particular time, but I'm not still getting visibility. I've tried posting in the morning, I've tried posting in the afternoon, I've tried posting in the evening. Now you have to understand that for your video to get visibility, views on YouTube, it does not only tie down to the posting time. That was why I stated that earlier on. A lot of other things still comes in when it comes to getting views here on YouTube. So if after watching this video right now and you say, oh Princess, I can relate to every single thing you said in this video, but I'm not still getting the visibility, now this is what you need to do. You have to understand now that it's no longer about your posting time, it's about the packaging of your video. So if somebody is scrolling on the YouTube FYP, you and I know that whatever is going to make you click on a video is first of all starting from the thumbnail of that video before the title of the video. So if you're scrolling on YouTube and you come across a video with the kind of thumbnail you use for your content, or the kind of title you use for your content, are you going to click on it, or you're going to swipe off immediately? So that is why you have to put in much more effort in your video titles and thumbnail. If you're fond of following this particular pattern for a very long time, YouTube is all about strategy. Sometimes wake up and change it. Change your thumbnail pattern, change your title pattern. It is as well going to help you. There was a time here on YouTube that if I don't use pure black background for my thumbnail, then Princess has not created thumbnail. But it got to a point, the low views on my channel was hell. I think that was in the year 2025. I could not even make money from this channel you and I, that is you're watching me from. Then I decided to start using my studio background, not this background, my main YouTube studio, the background. I blurred it and I started making my thumbnail a lot more sharper and direct. That is my thumbnail wordings. That simple change increased my channel overall impression click-through rate. So have you seen that it's not always about the posting time? All these little details matters. And aside working on your title and your thumbnail, your video hook alone matters. Okay, fine, I see your title, I see your thumbnail, I was like pushed to click and watch, and I click and watch, and what I saw on your title and thumbnail is not what I'm seeing. At least in the first 30 seconds I'll just click off, and that's clicking off that I just did is going to send message to the YouTube algorithm. They take note of every little performance that your video has. So that is why you have to be intentional. You have to always learn to change, learn to strategize on any content you're putting out here on YouTube. Okay, so here is my humble advice. Instead of chasing the perfect time, making your research on getting the best suitable time to upload your content, try to focus more on building a system that works perfectly for your channel, for your content. It's actually going to pay you more than always looking for the best time to actually upload your content. So you have to also understand that a good video that was posted at a wrong timing can still manage, struggle, get views. But you see a bad video that was posted at best right time, yes, you posted it when your subscribers are kind of active, when people are active, but if that video is bad, it's bad, like you're not going to get visibility. So at the end of the day, aside from knowing the perfect posting time, it all boils down on your content itself. So from time to time, learn to work on your content. It's really going to help you. And believe me when I say it doesn't just happen once, it doesn't just happen in a day, it's continuously, consistently rather. Okay, so that is going to be bringing us to the very end of this particular video. And if you have any question, make sure to do well to go down to the comment section and drop it. And as always, I'll be with us in our next video. So thank you so much for watching this particular video, and if you like this video, please do well to make sure to like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share this video so that I can get to other YouTubers out there. And as always, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.